In this very short video, we'll show you how the 28-day reading competition look like. First of all, you can enroll as many children as you want, your children, the cousins, the family members, or even your students at school. Fill in the details, and then you'll get towards the account. Here, you go to how it works. We'll show you how it works, and then we want you to download the challenge calendar, put it on the fridge or in the child's room to follow up, and then we'll go to the next lesson. Don't forget to mark complete every single lesson. On the first day, we want the child to read this text, and then here are the meanings of the words, and then understand the text and go to the next lesson. On day 2, the child will do 2 exercises. One of them is true or false. This is the exercise. And then there's an interactive game that we want the child to play. It is a fun game. Very competitive. As you see, we want the child to go to the leaderboard to see if they are amongst the top 10 in this game. Then we mark as complete and go to the next lesson. So day 3 is we need to record this text within the amount of seconds nominated. Here are some comments from students. Mark complete, and then we go to the next lesson. And here we show you the texts of the next lessons. On day 7, every 7th day is a break day, and parents are encouraged to give their children a reward. Then this is the next lesson. The next lesson. All these texts are important and very useful for daily life. So we want the children to read them quickly. Here's a revision, and then on day 28, we want the child to complete all their lessons and be rewarded. We look forward to having your children learning Arabic with us. Thank you very much.